Hi guys, short video here about this cordless buffer sander polisher whatsoever, and it's not only cordless, it works with standard 20 volts Dewalt batteries. That's the good thing, so we don't have to pay for another battery charger, and it's a very comprehensive set. You can see how large this box is. Get even nice carry pouch, comes with instructions manual, get even a nice pair of anti-skid gloves. It comes with a lot of buffing tools, sanding, polishing, you name it, almost endless. You can see a really nice fine sanding paper and really a ton of it, not just one or two or three. There's way more here inside. Also watch these cloths here. Yeah, absolutely awesome for polishing, also for waxing cars. Can also be used for furniture, polish your fridge. And here's the main device, of course, really solid, large. Yeah, makes a really good impression. That's definitely not a toy. Very, very solid build. Has this awesome grip here. Watch how good this is. Also really great grip down here. And so I have a standard 20 volts Dewalt battery. Push it here inside. Yeah, I heard clicking. Has a solid hold. With this battery, I can see the charge here, but with a lot of batteries, we cannot see the charge. And so that's a good thing that we also have the charge indicator built in right into this device. And so we turn it on. Here in the back, we choose the speed. You can see we have variable speed. We have a 1, we have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super fast. You can see that here, and it's actually not only these levels, we can really fine-tune the speed here. And as you can see here nicely, we have an eccentric shaft for more intense vibration, for higher efficiency. And so let's take one of these foam pads. So here in the front we have this foam, here in the back we have this suitable pad for Velcro, which we have already attached here. So we can just push it against it, and we have a perfect hold. You can see it has a really strong hold. And so I've used it here on the countertop because I don't have any real life usage. And so it was working really good, I would say. Exactly how I was expecting this. I mean, I don't know if it makes sense to use it here. Just wanted to show you if it's really working, if you can use that. And I would say it does exactly what it's supposed to be, and we can even easily wash these pads. I was not sure how they would look after washing. Can really wash them nicely and even squeeze them after that, and they look exactly the same as before. So I think also the pads seem to be really good quality. Don't see any problem at all. And so if you're looking for a decent low price Dewalt battery compatible buffer, then this could be the thing for you. And so if you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.